Hey there, so I was sent over this turbo fan to share with you guys. So it comes in this box, so if you need to store it in something, it's already got a nice box where everything has its place. You're gonna get the turbo fan itself, the instruction manual, 2 different size nozzles that can be attached to it, a charging cable, and this actually has a strap with it. So to charge the fan, it has a charging port on the bottom here, and then this gets plugged into the charging port, and then this into the adapter into the wall. Turn the fan on, there's a power button on the back, so you hold it down for about 2 seconds, it'll turn on. Once it's on, there are 2 places where there are lights. The bottom, each light is blue, and each light indicates 25% power. So if it's all lit up, it's 100% power. When it drops down 1 light, 75% power left in the batteries, and so forth. The 3 lights here are your power levels of the fan. This is up to 200 G. So 3 lights is your most powerful level, 2 lights is the middle one, and 1 is the lowest. Once charged in the lowest power setting, this has the potential to run for about 100 minutes. So I'm excited that I'm going to get plenty of use out of this, whether I'm using it at high speed or low speed, even though the highest speed is going to use that power up faster in the battery. To turn the power off once you're done, again, you hold that power button down for about 2 seconds and it'll cut off. So there's a place to insert the strap here on the bottom. I'm just going to push it through, and I'll just take the bigger piece of the strap, and our strap's on, ready to go. All right, so let's see how loud it is. The button, once it's on, is on the front, so it's a trigger action. This is the most powerful air. So it's not overly loud for me. I actually don't mind it. It is super powerful though. For me, this really takes the place of needing compressed air. It works great on keyboards. I really like using this for cleaning out things like those air filters and vacuum cleaners, and box fans and tower fans and hard to reach places like that I can't get into easily. While this is not its primary purpose, it does have the power to push leaves across the ground. You could probably try this on a snow-covered car if it wasn't super thick and try to knock some of that snow off without having to brush it. I love that it's rechargeable. It's powerful. It's not super big. If you are looking for an easier rechargeable way to take care of some of those things that compressed air would take care of, I hope this helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.